Your next car could be the 2015 Ford Flex. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Start building family road trip memories in this comfortable and spacious Flex. You'll love its clever storage solutions and 3-row seating, as well as available options that let you customize your travel environment. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, power driver seat, 3rd row seat, heated front seat. Get into the Flex and give your family the gift of space, comfort, and convenience. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.